Welcome guys, Heated App. This is Mr. Mikaboshi taking God's blessings and Ganpati Bappa's name. Let's start our today's video. Let's have a look what is currently going on in my country or around the world in sports. The technical bat swinger who is not an frontline batsman for Indian cricket team, but his contribution even after staying below the belt is much more than the people over the belt. Yes, this man is Mr. Dinesh Karthik, and we can't forget this breathtaking match where this man changed everything for Nagin dancers.
एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी.
But do you remember him playing for India after World Cup 2019? Nah. I mean, selectors have ignored Mr. Dinesh, same as my crush ignores me. Hang on, dude. He's ignored by the selectors, same as when my friend takes udhari and disappears like Shaktiman, and after few days, 9 to 11. Height is Mr. Dinesh is ignored so badly, same as when I see my maths teacher coming out of her house and shouting, "Maths is the worst subject." By the way, she lives near my house. And of course, maths is the worst out of all. नहीं, वैसे तो everything related to studies is worst, but future is made by them only. Let's just hope this ignoring game going on between Mr. Dinesh Karthik and the selectors gets over, and I think we are going to see this man playing in 2020 World Cup next year because of his experience. Moving forward on second category, entertainment. When I was in 10th standard, there were two boys and their friendship was very strong. So strong that Khali would have felt insulted by their strength, not by muscles but by their bond. I used to observe them closely. We guys as a student, it is our birthright to trouble teachers and become cool in front of girls. So one day I was asked to go home at 3 PM afternoon, and you won't believe this guys, school से निकलते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही I saw these two boys drinking नारियल पानी. क्या? अबे 2 straws and 1 नारियल. There it was clear कि ये दोनों gay है भाई. And couple of more incidents which I can't share with you. The same shocking factor I got that day, you will get now after hearing that Mr. Sanjay Dutt's mom stated once that she felt Sanjay is a gay. Yes, she felt. It's not that shocking कि PKMKB is destroyed finally. But one incident when Miss Nargis Dutt felt was Mr. Sanjay at the age of 15 he used to
रुको जरा.
He used to play with his friend a lot. In fact, whole day locking his room from inside, and not once but every day. This is the vision of his mother because mom knows everything about his child, and there's nothing wrong even if he is. No, I used to judge and even now sometimes I like judging. वो कल शुभ मंगल सावधान देखी, so I am not that great judgy now. थोड़ा एक step नीचे आ गया हूँ मैं. Moving forward on third category, YouTube. Continuous focus and dedication brings you success one day, but for that day you need to be patient. That's our vlogger bhai.
उन्होंने बहुत मारा.
Mr. Mumbaikar Nikhil, who banged the 700 million views mark in approx 7 to 8 years, I suppose. Congrats sir, keep banging. I mean, keep working, don't bang like him. Dombivali Shan, Mr. B Unique gives an savage reply to one of his followers when he asked what should I wear in the live session with Miss Sunny. Mr. Ne. There he asked, pause and read this. And just go through this small conversation now. Savage man, savage. Same as his bright life, Mr. Logan Paul yesterday spotted some moving lights which were getting brighter as they moved, and just look at their speed of moving.
Oh snap.
No.
What was that, bro? Move your fingers a bit and comment your opinions. Faster than light. Arey, he's so fast that yesterday Rabbit just wrote a suicidal note. Bye bye. My place is taken by someone else. Mr. Krishna replied Sasta Eminem after his live session where he was throwing patelis before his fans and
और क्या?
तुम्हें पता है भाई, 6 गाने मेरे को डेडिकेट किया तूने. 6 गाने मेरे लिए बनाए ब्रो. मेरी वजह से तुम्हारी दुकान चल रही है आज की डेट में.
आपकी औकात बता रहा हूँ सर, बुरा नहीं मानना.
Anyway, coolers or fans, please, it's high time to hate me. Moving forward on the fourth category, memes for your smile. Random girl joins in PUBG. Gun चाहिए? Scope do? गूंगी हो? My friends before lockdown and after lockdown.
No.
My Cadbury after I keep it in my pocket whole day. Girl after waking early morning.
कोई फिल्टर नहीं है, क्रीम नहीं है, लिपस्टिक नहीं है, काजल नहीं है, आईब्रो नहीं है, कुछ
अल्लाह इधर लिख लूं कहीं यूपीएससी के एग्जाम में ना आ जाए.
Shout out to Mimkar and Tube Indian for this amazing video. Moving forward on 5th category, who will become Master Boshi? Question number 1 on your screen. Freedom fighter R.V. Bhuskute passed away recently. Which state did he hail from? Options on your screen: A. Tamil Nadu, B. Odisha, C. Maharashtra, or it's D. Delhi. Question number 2 on your screen. Who is resigned as the president of International Weightlifting Federation? Options on your screen: A. Yahada Mohammed, B. Hassan Maqsood, C. Amin Ramani, or it's D. Thomas Ajan. Question number 3 on your screen. Which state will provide 3,500 rupees to every person of their state because of coronavirus? Options on your screen: A. Manipur, B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Sikkim, or it's D. Delhi. Question number 4 on your screen. World Art Day is celebrated on which date? Options on your screen: A. 18 April, B. 22 April, C. 15 April, or it's D. 1st of May. Question number 5 on your screen. The brand new ambassador of Poker Stars India is. Options on your screen: A. KL Rahul, B. MS Dhoni, C. Virat Kohli, or it's D. Rohit Sharma. Moving forward on 6th category, science and technology. After coming across Karuna Tai, everyone is very afraid, and especially engineering students, that washing hands and clothes for self-hygiene is necessary now. So in this tense situation, Samsung users as a gift are rewarded with a very Rambad medicine app designed by Samsung itself, where after downloading this app, users get a notification at several times a day reminding them to wash their hands with a timer of 20 seconds. Great stuff, man, but this doesn't stop here. Height is this app even reminds the user if the tap is not closed properly after 20 seconds. See, early if you would have listened Bunty and ignored this TikTok star, imagine we all would have lived an happy life now, roaming here and there, and now we are trapped inside. No, the app company didn't pay me a single rupee. This was my inner khujli, same as the BTEX monkey ad. Stay in, stay alive. मरने से बेहतर है 4 दीवार. जिंदा रहेगा तभी तो होगी घर में तकरार. तेरे बाप को मत सिखा चल. Wyatt Sher, hope you accept this. Time for international news. South Korea. COVID-19 takes a back step in South Korea because of strict lockdown actions. Beggar Pakistan gets help from US of about $8 million to fight coronavirus. UK President, China needs to answer hard questions about COVID-19 and its root cause. Let's have a look on some positive news or achievements for India today. Ahmedabad, Prasen Vinchurkar and his team made a portable UV sterilizer to fight COVID-19. Amreli, Muslims go out to give shoulder to a 70-year-old Hindu woman in a funeral. Bangalore, Dr. Saeed Shabbir converted his two-wheeler into an ambulance to reach quickly and attend COVID-19 patients. Great job, sir. When things don't work, work with your things. So it's time to wrap up news. Thanks for giving your valuable time to Mr. Mika Boshi. Keep your blessing hands on Mr. Mika Boshi. Bye-bye. Till the next video.